You walk into a library, you're searching for a history book, but it's placed in the science section, and a law book is sitting inside biology. Now, be honest, will you ever find your book? Exactly, no, you won't. And that's where document arrangement becomes everything. So, the real question is, why is arranging documents so difficult, and how do libraries actually manage it? Let's start with the challenges because that's where the real story begins. The first one is knowledge explosion. Books are not just increasing, they are exploding. Every day, new books, new topics, new subjects, like artificial intelligence, hundreds of new books every year. So, the question is, how do you keep arranging everything again and again? And it doesn't stop there. The same subject exists in multiple languages, one topic in English, Hindi, and Telugu. So now the confusion increases. Do we mix them, separate them? How? And now comes another important challenge, which is it's not just books anymore. PDFs, videos, journals, audio. So now libraries are not organizing books, they're organizing formats. And things get even more complicated. One document does not always mean one subject. Environmental studies is science plus law plus policy. So where should it go? And even the structure of documents create problems. Single book, multiple volumes, monthly journals. Some never even finish, they keep coming. But the biggest challenge is not books. It is the users. One reads for exam, one for research, one just for time pass. Same book, different purpose. So you combine all this growth languages, format subjects, users, and you realize one thing, there is no single perfect arrangement system. So now the transition and the question we have is, if everything is so complex, how do libraries manage it? They follow certain practical factors. According to J. Mills, these factors guide arrangement. First, based on people, that is age, children versus adults, then based on usage, reference versus lending. Dictionary always stays inside library. Now based on physical nature, that is size, form. So books, big books separate, form, CDs, microfilms separate. Now comes the most important, which is subject. Science together, history together. This is the backbone of arrangement. Then refinement factors, language, value-based rare books, presentation-based journals, date, which are old books. Finally comes the local collection. Books related to one region are kept together. So let's simplify everything into one line. Problems come from growth, diversity, and users. Arrangement depends on subject, practical factors, and user needs. Understand this? This is a 20-mark question. Thank you for watching.